Upgrading a ServiceNow instance is crucial to ensure access to the latest features, enhancements, and security updates. Here's how to upgrade a ServiceNow instance. Review release notes. Before upgrading, review the release notes of the new version to understand the changes, improvements, and potential impacts on your instance. Test environment. Set up a test or sandbox environment that mirrors your production instance. This allows you to conduct compatibility testing and validate the upgrade process without impacting live operations. Backup data. Backup critical data and configurations from your production instance to prevent data loss during the upgrade process. Schedule downtime. Coordinate with stakeholders to schedule a maintenance window for the upgrade. Ensure minimal disruption to users by choosing a time when activity is low. Initiate upgrade. Follow ServiceNow's documentation and upgrade guides to initiate the upgrade process. This typically involves accessing the ServiceNow Upgrade Center and selecting the desired upgrade version. Monitor progress. Monitor the upgrade process closely to ensure it proceeds smoothly. Address any issues or errors promptly to minimize downtime. Post-upgrade verification. After the upgrade is complete, conduct thorough testing in the test environment to verify system functionality, data integrity, and performance. Go live. Once verification is successful, schedule the upgrade in the production environment and communicate with users about any changes or new features.